Welcome world, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Spartan Family World. Welcome. Well, today guys, we had some tough times, I could say. Our dirt truck went straight in and sank in the mud. So guys, it's another day's work. So I hope you guys enjoy this video with us at home. Trying to pull up our land before the heavy rains come here in Debe. Hope you guys enjoy our video. Thank you guys so much, and to big up to our truck driver, thank you so much, and thank you for your help and your patience, because here in Debe we have our wetlands, and with heavy rainfall we get so much of flood here.
Wow. Yeah.
Hey, Junior, go up on the truck.
Come inside right.
Hey, what is it? Hey, watch. We'll climb up. Let me see you climb up the truck. Want me to help you? Yes, no. My son will help you climb up.